In this video, we are going to demonstrate a simple guide to hiding your Instagram account from unwanted people. Don't worry, it's a breeze, so let's dive right in. Right off the bat, get logged into your Instagram account. If the goal is to make my account private, just follow these clear steps. First, locate the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Give them a click, then proceed to Settings and Privacy. Here you can see a long and compartmentalized menu. Scroll down and you will see Account Privacy under the Who Can See Your Content segment. Click on it, and then you will see only one option, Private Account, with a key that needs to be toggled. If you toggle it on, the key will turn blue, and your account will be private, ensuring only those you approve can enjoy your photos and see who follows you. In essence, your account is tucked away from the public's view. So, if you're seeking a way to temporarily conceal your account without resorting to blocking or setting it to private, this method is your answer. If any questions about this process are bubbling up, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if not, remember to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel.